Oh, what's up? How's everything? Mm-hmm. Yep. Huh. I don't know what the heck to say. What's up, yo? I'm just here. What's gonna be next for? I don't know. What the heck? Who cut my music off? Darn. Who cut my music off? Darn. Well, who cut my music off? Well, I know what happened. This what happened, y'all. Okay. Huh. Oh, I'm dizzy. Uh, I'm dizzy. All right, I'm not dizzy anymore. All right, do the dizzy dance. I can't dance when I'm laying down. Why am I so silly? All right, all right, uh, all right. I was dancing like a maniac. That's why I'm so tired and out of breath. Okay, breath. I'm not. I'm not from the north. I better talk like I'm from the south. I wish I can play that, y'all. I would love to play that. Yep. Yep. It's all like a party. Yep. All right. About to go to sleep. Good night. I need to stop back and silly, huh, y'all. Let me go step outside. And as a matter of fact, let me put my let me put my jacket on. Stop being a stripper. All right. Put my jacket on and step out. Unlock the door. All right, there we go. Yep. Look at the nice sky. Cloudy. Too bad y'all can't look at the nice sky. You know. It's cloudy outside. Yep. Do y'all like the surrounding here? Yep. And TJ was just watching my show. Yep. What are you gonna say if it upload to YouTube? TJ was just watching my show. Ain't that something, y'all? Having a great time listening to beautiful Nintendo music. Now I got my friend. Let's see who's watching. Never mind. Who else is watching? Okay, showing you. Oh, my friend Emmanuel is watching. Okay, what's up, Emmanuel? Okay, yes indeed. One of these days he gonna probably appear on my show. I don't know if he'll ever appear on my show. Depends on where you stay, you know. Okay, I wish he could appear on my show, you know. But but by the way, do some of y'all remember Dimes Dominique? Yeah, so some of y'all do, you know. So some of y'all remember Dimes Dominique, you know. So she appeared in my recording, you know. Yep, I really like Dominique Dimes, you know. Well, this is a shame for me to tell this story. I don't even know if she want me to, you know. Yeah, I cheered her up when she was feeling bad. Yes, indeed. You know what? I had to make her smile, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, I had to make Dominique smile. I had to, you know. I ain't know she was feeling that bad that she had to cry. Oh, she had to cry. Oh. All right. So, anyway, she's a ghetto girl. Well, I mean, after all these years, I ain't know she was a sweetheart, you know. Oh, oh, wait a minute. Oh, I have the light on. There you go. Yep. I have to show y'all the night sky, you know, as I'm vlogging with y'all, you know. Okay. I have to do my thing, you know. What is this? Barnacle Burrow Boy and Mermaid Man or something like that? Okay. Who knows? Okay. Well, I'm surprised Naya ain't watching this, you know, and it's a shame for me to mention her name though, especially mentioning my dear best friend Shamika. You know, we get along great. We stick together like peanut butter and Jello, peanut butter and Jello, and TJ on the other hand, you know. Yep. Yeah, he gonna appear in future episodes of the Domino 7 show whenever he come to New Orleans, you know. But but due to this COVID-19, I'm sick of COVID, you know. And everybody starts is sick and tired of wearing masks. Domino 7 is definitely tired of wearing masks. You know, you know your boy Domino 7 is my my glasses. All right, so my glasses fell off. All right, and you know, no hanging out with people doing my show, taking care of business. You know, and yes, I still miss my wonderful friend Tanya though. May God bless her. You know what I mean? We haven't spoken to each other since 2014. You know. Yep. So hopefully one of these days she gonna make a guest appearance on my show. I hope to God so. You know, that would be a blessing if we see each other again. You know. Saw my auntie across the river. Yep. So some of you seen on my show before. You know. Yep. In un un untitled videos. You know. So y'all know I make untitled videos. You know. Loose leaf. You know. So I I put them in I added some of my video clips together. You know. Art guys and video clips. You know. So, one of these days, y'all will watch the show. You know, the best of the. I heard somebody. Screw that. I don't know if y'all people are heard in the background or not. You know, I don't know. Okay. Maybe I should bring TJ on. You know, so probably one day I'm gonna get TJ to watch my show. I mean, so he could do a FaceTime interview. Okay. So I already did one with DJ Dan E, and I did one with Philip, you know. So I try to do one with Bobby though, okay. And oh yeah, and I also did one with Latoya Mead, okay. So y'all should know who Latoya Mead is. She appeared on my show several times, you know. Hmm. Yep. So she gonna make future appearance on the show very soon. I don't know when, you know. She was over here for Halloween Day, and her power was still out at our house, you know. Uh-huh. But our power was on. The Hurricane Zeta aftermath, you know. So anyway, I filmed with Hurricane Zeta. I mean, the video kept stopping and stopping, and y'all didn't hear everything I was saying and stuff like that. The wind was blowing, whoo, sounded like a ghost going, whoo, whoo. Oh, I know some of you people were scared. Yeah, and not only that, this phone could have flew out of my hand, you know. All right, look at the sky once again. Okay. Yep. Yep. It's a cloudy sky. Yep. Okay. So look around the neighborhood. No more looking around the neighborhood. Okay. Now about to go get a snack. Okay. So night and night, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right. Back at tornado sounds like. Well, I don't I don't think I recall what tornadoes sound like, you know, because I think it was in 2016 or 17 or something like that here in New Orleans. The tornado hit the New Orleans east only, you know. I thought I thought it was gonna hit I thought it was gonna hit the whole city, you know, but a tornado hit only New Orleans East. I was worried about people in the East, especially worrying about Dominique Henry. So some of you don't know who Dominique is, you know, Dominique Henry, because I called a couple of Dominique's names, Dominique Peters, Dominique Henry, yeah, Dimes, you know, okay. I wonder who this is. Never mind who that is, you know. So, anyway, as I was saying, it just hit New Orleans East, you know. Yeah, cause you know Dominique Henry, she used to work at a store in the East. I'm not gonna tell you where she used to work at, and I'm not gonna tell y'all where she work at now, you know. But I pray for Diamond Dior. That's a singing name, Diamond Dior. Okay, so I would call her Diamond, but there's other Diamond Diors, you know. But I don't know how many Domino sevens they have, you know. I literally don't know. Okay, so everything is good in there. Well, all right. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, God bless y'all and nighty night.